It's Friday, February 13th, 2026, and severe weather remains likely in the southern United States, and an active weather pattern is also going to be likely for the next few weeks. So let's jump straight into the forecast. So we do have our jet stream dip right now. We have a pretty large dip in the jet stream, as you can see right here. And then we got a storm system that's going to be moving in here pretty soon. We have a low pressure system sitting off here. This is eventually going to move a little bit farther east, and that's going to be positioned over New Mexico, Texas, and Arizona on Valentine's Day. And today we also are going to be expecting some severe weather. We'll talk about all the severe weather chances later. This low pressure system is eventually going to move into Louisiana and eastern Texas on the 15th. As you can see, we're going to have that low pressure system, and then it's going to move off the coast of Florida and stuff like that. And we are going to be expecting some rain out of this as well. So we do have a marginal risk for tomorrow. For today. We do have a marginal risk for today if you live from Fort Stockton all the way up here towards Oklahoma City, which is if you live in this green highlighted area. The main concern is mainly going to be severe winds, some hail, and that's about it. Today's tornado potential is a little bit low, but this risk is for today, February 13th on Friday, 2026. So this is for today. So beware if you're in this green highlighted area today if you live in here, okay? Because there is going to be potential for hail and severe winds. Because we do got a wind risk and a hail risk. For tomorrow on Valentine's Day, we do have a risk for San Antonio. So if you live in this green highlighted area on Valentine's Day, be aware for severe weather. The cities include San Antonio, Austin, Waco, McKinney, Dallas, Tyler, Shreveport, Baton Rouge, San Angelo, Abilene, Houston, and Galveston. So be aware if you live in this green area on Valentine's Day for even a potential to see an isolated spin-up tornado or two, some severe thunderstorms, and maybe even a chance for some hail. So yeah, the hail risk is mainly going to be if you live in mainly these areas. Then the severe weather threat is going to shift east on February 15th. So if you live in anywhere in these areas on February 15th, be aware for severe weather. This includes Mobile, Montgomery, Dothan, Tallahassee, Orlando, and Tampa. Also includes Jacksonville, so be aware for severe weather if you live in any of those areas or in the green area. So we do have 3 days of marginal risk. So this one is for today. This one is for tomorrow on February 14th. And this one is for February 15th. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So make sure to be staying aware for severe weather if you live anywhere down here. So you guys probably want to check out the future radar. So here is the future radar right here. So we're gonna have some storms develop later today. Okay, we're gonna have some storms develop this evening down here into the nighttime in these areas. Okay, so let me show you guys some marginal risks. So that's why we got that marginal risk down there. We're gonna have storms develop later, and it's mainly gonna have the potential to produce hail and wind. There is gonna be a little chance for a brief spin-up tornado, but I think that's a low chance. So this area, this is what the future radar could be looking like at 8 p.m. Eastern. So let's push it up farther to the future with the NAM model. So here we are. There's gonna be some severe weather tonight. And then tomorrow, the tornado risk goes up a little bit more. We're going to have a 2% tornado risk over here. And you can see that there's going to be potential for some severe thunderstorms tomorrow and hail and stuff like that. So be aware for a isolated spin-up tornado tomorrow, because this is what the radar could look like. And then the future radar shows even some lines of thunderstorms going all the way over there into central Florida as well. So make sure to be staying aware for severe weather over the next few days. It's not also severe weather. We're also going to be seeing excessive rainfall with this. So this is what the excessive rainfall outlook looks like right here. The excessive rainfall starts with today, February 14th, just like the severe weather starts with today. So you can see we are going to be expecting some excessive rainfall for this area, which is it goes from, if you live in Lubbock, it goes from Lubbock all the way up there towards Joplin, Missouri. So we are going to be expecting some excessive rainfall if we live in this green area today, possibly. It's a marginal risk, though. And then for tomorrow, the risk goes up a little bit for excessive rainfall for northeast Texas into Arkansas. And then we're going to have that green going around it where there's going to be some chances for excessive rainfall. Then it goes down a little bit, but it shifts more east. So Atlanta, Montgomery, Tallahassee, Jacksonville, Mobile, Columbia, Charlotte, Raleigh, Jacksonville, Wilmington, Virginia Beach, and Richmond be staying aware for excessive rainfall, or if you live in this green area. So yes, there's going to be chances for excessive rainfall. And if I show this is the thing that shows like how much rain you might be getting. So like over here, you guys will probably be getting the most rain out of everyone out of the system. We could even see some rain over here up to central Indiana and central Ohio possibly. So yeah, this is just what the excessive rainfall could look like as it moves into eastern United States. So yes, excessive rainfall is going to be likely out of this system as well. So yeah, we are expecting above average temperatures for the United States for the next pretty long while. So if you think it's feeling like spring right now, don't get me wrong, it does feel like spring right now. In some places it doesn't, but I think it does. And it's going to be a little bit warmer. We could see some more cold temperatures start coming in though soon, as you can see. But it should stay pretty warm for a lot of you guys. But on the West Coast, it's pretty cold. It might be normal, but otherwise it's pretty cold. So far, it's pretty above average for a lot of people east of the Rockies. So yeah, we are expecting above average temperatures for a while. Since there's cold temperatures over here and we got the atmospheric rivers and all kinds of stuff happening, we are going to be seeing a lot of snow over here, okay? A lot of snow. So yeah, we could be seeing warmer temperatures for a lot of you guys. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. And stay weather aware. And if you get a tornado warning, don't go looking for the tornado, okay? Don't go looking for a tornado. Because we got some nader juice out there. Bye. See you guys later. Have a good day.